motocross track. What I want to do is I want to be able to, there's going to be a double coming out of the start, and then you're going to land over the side of a tabletop, which is also part of the motocross track, and then this is going to be a big tabletop. Going to double up the hill, and there's going to be a roller section of the hill. So all you moto guys, you guys are going to have a blast. All you woods guys, you guys are going to have a blast. The hill climb guys, you guys are going to have a blast. That's all about all I got for you.
Sick. Keep pushing birds. Alright, I hope you enjoyed those first couple clips. That was the first day that Thor got a bulldozer out there, so there wasn't really that much to it. But Dylan and I have never been there before, and then one of the locals took us on the trails all the way around. The trails were pretty tight, kind of difficult. I'm not a big trail rider, but it was fun. The track, I had a couple clips with the GoPro of the track, but these next clips I'm about to show you are from when we had test and tune, and the track was complete. The hill climb was in way better condition, and yeah, so that's what these next clips are gonna be. I was gonna do like 3 parts, but I decided just to put the first day or groundbreaking day, and then us doing the test and tune into one video, and then the next video will be the day of, or the actual event in September. So mark your calendar and don't miss out. It's gonna be a good time. Yeah, come support small business. Just Thor, all of our friends. We're all are gonna have a tent and booth there. So yeah, don't miss out. Set your calendar. But, all right, come along for the next clips.
Variety Riders Motorcycle Club. We're doing a little test and tune today. It's gonna be a fun day. Justin's about to show you me hit the hill, and then he's also gonna show Dylan Edberg, Swoop, bunch of other guys out here, okay? So today's a good day to have a good day, right?
Oh yeah, let's go. Hey!
No, don't videotape 1 second.
Hi, my name is Vrmc, and we're here at the Variety Riders Hill Climb. My friend is Dylan. He told me to talk like this to you today.
SUBSCIBE keeping me good today, dude. I'm so dialed. This shit's funny. We also have Variety Riders for their test and tune hill climb event.
Alright, I'm gonna go hit the trails down there in the track. So I'll put the GoPro on. Check out the new goggles. Trying out Havoc. Try to win that dirt bike giveaway. Come on.
Almost didn't make it up there.
So for this, it's a $50.
What you gotta say?
I'm the biggest loser of the Variety Riders Hillclimb. That was cool. All I gotta say is I'm coming back in September with a vengeance. That's all I got.
Hey, this is Wes, owner, operator of Bobcat Company. We're down here at Variety Riders doing the hill climb today, doing the little test and tune before the main race in September. Got all of our hats out here today, first event of the season, first event ever. We're really excited to get going on it. Yeah, let's have a day, huh? Here to have a good time, not here for a long time. Bar tacos, slim can koozies, can't go wrong with them.